I think one of the top things that I've ever been asked as a business owner and a mentor and an entrepreneur is, what is your top tip for being successful? And the answer to that, my friend, is consistency. Consistency is literally the key to it all. Here's a great example of what I mean. So say that you and I both had to take a trip from Las Vegas to Vancouver. And I took a direct flight there, whereas you took a flight that had several stops and layovers along the way. Even if your plane was traveling at, say, 700 miles an hour, and my plane was only traveling at 200 miles an hour, I would still beat you there and have time to hang out and have dinner and enjoy myself. And your plane might not even make it there. It may run out of gas, because the amount of time and energy that it takes for your plane to stop and get going again is going to ruin that consistency. It's not going to allow you to break free of that inertia that's holding you down. So the key to getting into consistency is small movements, small things each day, daily habits. Those daily habits compound into something much greater. Hence, consistency and consistent habits create a successful lifestyle.